Hi, and welcome to Amasondo Motors. My name is Sandile Sosibo, one of Amasondo's Motors sales executives. Today with me, I have a Ford Ranger 2018 model TDCi. Benefits of purchasing this vehicle. Number one, it's a good quality ever-used D-fleet vehicle. It comes with 50,000 kilometers. It has a balance up to 90,000 service plan and a balance of up to 120,000 warranty from the factory. How to contact us? Well, you can contact me directly on my private cell, which is 060-820-8661, or visit our Facebook page, which is Facebook at Amasondo Motors. If you are more interested to see more information, you can also visit our webpage, which is www.amasondomotors.co.za. Amasondo Motors, where peace of mind is part of the deal.